Hey guys, today let's learn how to hide your likes on Twitter mobile. So if you guys want to go ahead and hide the photos and videos that you have liked on the Twitter application, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to basically do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch our profile under the settings of the Twitter application. Now, as we do know, the Twitter application is now going to be called X, so go ahead and launch this application on your devices right now. And then let's tap on our profile in the top left corner of the screens. Next, let's tap on Settings and Privacy over here, or Settings and Support, and then let's tap on Settings and Privacy. I want you to scroll down to Privacy and Safety, and I want you to scroll down until you see the selection to hide your likes under Tweet Privacy. So we do have a lot of different privacy settings over here, like audience and tagging, your post, mute, block, spaces, discoverability, and contacts, and a lot of different stuff as well over here. But you could actually go ahead and tap on your posts over here and actually mark the media as containing material that may be sensitive, but that's not what we want to do. And what we want to do is to basically go ahead and hide the likes that we do on the Twitter application. So basically what we can do, or basically the best solution that we can do on the current Twitter application or the X application right now, is not necessarily just changing the privacy of our likes, because that is not necessarily available now since the Twitter application is now called X. So the most that we can actually do on here is to make our account private. So you could actually go ahead and tap on account over here. And as you see, we have the option to basically change the password. But what we want to do is to basically go ahead and change the privacy of our account to a private account. So we could actually go ahead and access that here under these settings. So let's actually try to find that and find where that is. And as you see, we're going to have that option over here under protect your posts. So what this will do is it's only going to show your posts to people who follow you and not necessarily everybody who has access to your Twitter account. So basically this won't make your account into a public account. So whenever you guys like a specific tweet or video on the Twitter application, it is only going to be shown on your Twitter followers and not basically everybody on Twitter. So I would like you guys to tap on this option over here to enable it, and that should help you guys hide your likes on Twitter. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.